Tayo naman ngayon ay magluluto ng napakasimpleng menu with sardines, Lego sardines, or any option of sardines. Meron tayo dito garlic, sliced onions, ginger. We use ginger para hindi siya malansa. Then I have also here sliced tomato, fresh tomato. Then I have here vegetables of only broccoli. We use also olive oil in cooking. Then later on we will put fish sauce or salt and a little bit pepper powder for its aroma. So now I have already put the casserole. I just put a little bit olive oil, not so many to avoid it so much fat. Then just wait a little bit until the oil is hot. Then we can already put together the onions, also at the same time the garlic and also the ginger all together. Then mix it. We will just wait until it is a little bit brown. When it is already brown, we can already put the tomatoes. Mix it thoroughly until the tomato is cooked. So now the tomato is a little bit cooked. You can already put a little bit patis or salt, whatever you want. This one or any patis, pupina patis or dato puti patis or any oyster patis. Just a little bit. Then we can put a little bit water until the tomato is cooked. While it is about the tomato to cook, we can already put the sardines. Little bit water. Mix again. A little bit pepper powder for its aroma. We can put a little bit more water. Then we have to take the cover, cook for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. So I just slice and separate the broccoli stem and its flower. Now we can put it now. It's already boiling. We will remove the cover. Then we put first the stem of the broccoli because this one is a little bit longer to cook. A little bit mix, but take care that the sardines will not be overcooked. You can put it there. After that, we can already put the broccoli flower. So then now We can put a little bit salt to taste. You can taste it later when it is not yet enough, the salt. You can put, depends upon your taste, if it is already enough. Now we can already cover again, and maybe we can cook this for about 3 minutes until the cauliflower or the broccoli is well cooked. Now let us see, after 3 minutes, wow, it's already cooked. It's good. It's look delicious and healthy. It's already cooked. We don't need to overcook the vegetable, the broccoli, so that it's more healthy and tasty. Wow, it's really yummy. Sardines with broccoli is my menu for our dinner. I am already hungry. So that's enough. We will make the fire off. It's enough and it's already cooked.